to make low-carb, keto-friendly coconut shrimp. First things first, we're gonna do everything in a shallow fry method using a pan and coconut oil. I know it's not olive oil, what the hell. Second of all, I am using shrimp that I've already cleaned, peeled, and deveined, except I've left my tails on. It's just a little bit of an added effect. Also, I'm using for the breading or the coating, I'm using a little bit of coconut flour, a little bit of salt. We'll go into this just for a little bit of flavor. Some fresh cracked black pepper as well will go into this. Doesn't need much more seasoning than this because the flavor is coming directly from the coconut. What I'm going to do is use a couple of eggs for my dredge and just make everything kind of stick together. And of course, lastly but not leastly, unsweetened coconut, grated coconut. So let's get the show on the road here. I'm just gonna beat up my eggs first, get those off and going. And just watch you don't get any eggshells in there. You don't want any added crunch that shouldn't be there. So just real quick, just beat these eggs up just like that. Perfect, done. Nothing to this. I'm also gonna take now another fork and just stir around my coconut flour with the salt and the pepper. That way we have the seasonings all evenly distributed. Next, I like a little presentation. I like the presentation factor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna butterfly my coconut shrimp or my shrimp. And I'll show you a very easy way to do this. So actually, why don't I fire this puppy up here? You're gonna need about a medium-high heat on your frying pan. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my coconut oil here. It's a little different than olive oil, but what the hell, it's healthy cooking. Not that olive oil isn't healthy. So I'm just gonna pour this down. And again, you're gonna be doing this in a shallow fry method. You're not gonna be using a lot of very deep oil. So now, here's the thing. For this to butterfly them, you're gonna take the back end of the shrimp, a very sharp knife, let me move this out of the way here, and you're gonna just slowly cut from the end of the tail all the way about halfway through. Not all the way through, halfway through. So your shrimp will come out and they will look like this. I gotta do a little bit more here. And without cutting your fingers as well, that's also very important. And it will look like this. And that, my friends, is like a perfectly butterflied shrimp. So here's the thing, this is what we're doing. First things first, we're gonna dredge them in the coconut flour, then drop them in the egg wash mixture or the beaten egg mixture, and then a nice even coating of the coconut. Then this and that. Now, my friends, these will only take maybe a minute or two, 3 tops. If you're Greek, they'll take like 5 or 6, because we like to cook the shit out of everything. I'm going to show you how these look flipped over, and I like them a little more on the well done side, but whatever you like will totally work. So again, real fast. You have to work fairly quickly here. Now when your shrimp is getting ready to come out of the fryer, you're just going to take a little bit of paper towel, remove it, and let it kind of drain the excess off. Now, right when they're hot, right out of it, just do one of these, a little bit of salt on it, a little bit more fresh cracked black pepper, and you are ready to go. You could even lemon this up if you wanted to. Do a sprinkle of lemon, not a big deal. So, now, let me see. Let me try one of these puppies out here. Let's see how it turned out. Look at this. Look at a picture with this. This is so delicious. I can't tell you how good this is. So that's it for this episode, my friends, on my easy, low-carb, keto-friendly coconut shrimp. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll also include a link for my other keto-friendly, low-carb recipes in the description below. Check me out as well online at my new website, www.kensgreektable.com. You'll find a lot of my recipes there. I'm going to be adding more and more all the time. And they've got Greek recipes and not so Greek recipes, but the point is they're easy, super delicious, and a lot of fun to make. So that's it. Until next time, see you on the next one. Bye for now.